I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs warm into the 60s this afternoon with a few showers or thunderstorms, mostly widespread rain and some thunderstorms occur tonight through tomorrow as low pressure lifts northeast across Kansas. The highest chances favoring the central and east with rainfall amounts of a half inch to 3/4 of an inch, lighter amounts as you go to the west. Storms could be severe this evening over central and eastern areas of southern Nebraska and northern Kansas, with the main threats of hail to the size of ping pong balls and wind gust over 60. There's also a low tornado threat over Kansas. The northwest sandhills and panhandle may see snow accumulations of a trace to an inch by tomorrow morning. North winds gust to 30 to 40 for tonight through tomorrow night, and rain chances taper off for tomorrow night. Highs drop into the 40s to the low 50s tomorrow before a rebound to the 50s to the low 60s for Friday and Saturday. A cold front and gusty north winds cool our highs back to the mid-40s to the mid-50s for Sunday and Monday. Highs quickly bounce to the 60s on Tuesday, the first day of spring. That warm uptick in temperatures reflects a slight change in the long-term forecast. Slightly warmer than normal temperatures are in the forecast for Nebraska and Kansas the middle of next week before temperatures back off to seasonal or near normal levels late next week through March 26th. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation for Tuesday through March 26th indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal. Key weather factors affecting the markets include a storm for the U.S., colder weather this weekend, drier conditions in parts of Brazil, and excessive rain in parts of Argentina. In the Corn Belt, temperatures remain at record high levels. Today, highs should reach 80 as far north as the mid-Mississippi Valley. Nearly the entire Corn Belt is expected to top 60. The next 5 days, a complicated U.S. weather pattern results in 4 primary concerns. In the west, a high-elevation snow event unfolds across Wyoming to the Four Corners, with the most significant accumulations locally up to 4 feet expected on the eastern slopes of the Central Rockies. A stripe of precipitation, mostly rain, stretches from the Central Plains to New England. Wet snow may also fall in areas of the plains adjacent to the Central Rockies, as well as northern New England. In the south, a multi-day precipitation event should result in 1 to 3 inch rain totals, especially from eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. Severe thunderstorms may accompany the southern rain, with the severe weather threat extending into the southern Corn Belt today and tomorrow. Cold air trailing the stormy weather begins to push southward this weekend, with freezes expected early next week deep into the interior southeast. In the plains and Midwest, later next week, another burst of cold air and scattered showers are expected. In Brazil, rain this week is limited to the north and central. Southern Brazil is drier, which is unfavorable for second crop corn. A good part of Brazil, though, expects more widespread and beneficial rain next week. In the middle of Argentina, scattered rain continues through tomorrow, favoring the filling corn and soybeans. Rain moves into northern Argentina this weekend and continues into the middle of next week. There could be too much rain in parts of Argentina and not enough in other areas. Overall, though, the rain should be widespread enough to benefit both the corn and soybeans. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.